Hi, I'm Brian Lester. I'm the president of Indiana Mold Remediation, and I've been in the mold remediation business for over 20 years. Today, I want to talk to you about a new cleaning product we've been using, Dot Cleaner. This is Dot. Let's go open it up. This box can make 25 gallons of cleaner when mixed with water. Dot Cleaner is supercharged by our NT7 patent-protected catalyst that was developed at Carnegie Mellon University's Institute of Green Science. Dot Cleaner can be used on a variety of surfaces, including most building materials. When we're on a job site, Dot Cleaner is simple to work with. It's easy to measure and easy to mix. We're using Dot every day in my business. I'd like to show you an example of a job we recently did so that you can see Dot in action. Dot Cleaner comes in 3 available sizes. We have the half quart for small jobs or maybe during an inspection. And we have the 1 and the 2.5 gallon sizes for attics and crawl spaces or other large projects. You can purchase each size individually or as a 5 or 10 pack. Dot Cleaner is not just a concentrated product. In fact, thanks to the NT7 catalyst, we only need 1/30th the oxidant found in competitive products. Dot Cleaner is a professional strength cleaner that uses less chemical, has less odor, and it's easy to work with. Be sure to check out the link in the description below if you'd like to learn more about Dot.